Speedbird 434, descend 2000.
Gatwick ground, easy 510 Victor, Airbus A320, IFR to Amsterdam. Request clearance as filed, information Romeo on board.
Easy 510 Victor, Gatwick ground, roger. Did you say you're an Airbus A320 Neo?
Yes, that's correct, easy 510 Victor.
Easy 510 Victor, roger, cleared Amsterdam, Frame 190 departure, score 6463.
Clear to Amsterdam, Fran 1 Mike departure, squawk code 6463, easy 510 Victor.
Easy 510 Victor, read back correct. QNH1008, report ready. Griffin 56 Romeo, hold mic 1, contact Gatwick Tower now, 124.230.
That's Romeo, upon reaching mic 1, contact Tower 124.230. Thank you much for the help. I believe, bye-bye.
EGKK 501, contact Gatwick Tower 124.230.
124.230, ETA 501, bye-bye.
Emirates.
Gatwick ground, easy 510 Victor, request for push and start.
Easy 510 Victor, stand 24, push and start approved, face west.
Push and start approved, facing west, easy 510 Victor.
Bargainer 1 X-ray departure. I'll send the route in text, advise when able to accept that in your FMC.
Copy, Bargainer 1 X-ray 368, Gatwick ground, Virgin 607, Whiskey ready check.
Stations for radio check, reservation 5, break, Swiss 689, I just need you to confirm if you can accept it in your FMC, and I will update the route my side.
Yes, I do. I can accept it in my FMC, Swiss Air 68.
Gatwick ground, easy 510 Victor, request for taxi.
Easy 510 Victor, taxi holding point Alpha 3 by November and Alpha November.
Holding point Alpha 3, taxi via November and Alpha November, easy 510 Victor.
Gatwick ground, good day, holdings 3 Tango Zulu.
Gatwick Tower, easy 510 Victor, at holding point A3.
Easy 510 Victor, get hello, we are 126 left line up on way.
Line up and wait, runway 26 left, Victor 510.
And easy 510 Victor, 26 left, wind 220 degrees 11 knots, sorry for that.
Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, Victor, easy 510 Victor.
Easy 494 Alpha Victor, contact Gatwick control frequency 129.430, bye.
129.420, bye.
Gatwick Tower, KLM 3741 with you, holding Alpha 3.
Column 3741, Gatwick Tower, hello, behind departing easy 320 via 126 left line up and wait behind.
Behind the departing A320 by Alpha 1, line up and wait behind, KLM 3741 heavy.
Gatwick Tower, Virgin 637, Whiskey holding Alpha 3.
Virgin 657 Whiskey, Gatwick Tower, hello, behind departing KLM A320, the Alpha 1, this is cleft line up and wait behind.
Behind the departing KLM A330, line up and wait, T6 left.
Launch and control EC 510 Victor, flight level 4000.
EC 510 Victor, London Control, hello, climb now to altitude 6,000 feet, fly radar heading 065.
Flight level 6000, heading 065. Easy Victor, 510 Victor.
Apologies, EZ8510 with you, 340, request further descent.
EC8510, London Control, hello, descend flight level 320, could have one got EC510 out, correction 510 Victor, climb flight level 120.
Flight level 120, Easy 510 Victor.
Very good afternoon, Air France 1 Alpha with you, Hotel 2.
Air France 18 Alpha, London, hello, it is the LASO 1 Hotel for Heathrow. EC510 Victor, turn left heading 035.
Turning left 035, Easy Victor 510.
Left out to 4 Hotel, turn left heading 090 degrees, climb flight level 290.
From the hotel, left heading 090 and level 290.
Speedbird 434, descend 2000. KLM, correction, EC 510 Victor, Tower, Bamba 9, decimal 230, bye bye.
119, decimal 230, Easy 510 Victor, bye bye.
KLM 28 Hotel, speed 180 knots, still 60 me.
Kilo 4 from Mike, to be sure you may cross the Papa platform straight ahead to join Alpha.
Amsterdam Tower, EC 510 Victor, request landing at runway 27.
EZ 510 Victor, you're number 2, wind 260 degrees, 15 knots, reduce final approach.
Copy that, EC 510 Victor.
The Alpine 85 Uniform Alpha, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, wind 260 degrees, 15 knots, bye bye. Lufthansa 8 Lima Lima, contact departure, 121 decimal 205.
121 decimal 205.
EZ 510 Victor, runway 27, clear to land.
Runway 27, clear to land, Easy Victor 510.
EZ 9 from Mike, left Alpha, Charlie 11. Kilo 9 from Mike, left on Alpha, gate Charlie 11.
We had tailed with Charlie 7, but Charlie 11, KLM Mike.
Yeah, Charlie 7 got occupied by someone else.
Okay, Charlie 7. KLM 9.
Nee, Charlie 11 dus.
Ja, dat bedoel ik.
Goedenavond, Schiphol Tower, KM28 Hotel, ILS, coming 27.
KM28 Hotel, hello, 27, clear to land, wind 260 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear to land, coming 27, no, good Hotel.
Easy 510 Victor, taxi stand Hotel 2.
Taxi via Hotel 2. Easy 510 Victor.
Sierra, runway 24. Initial climb level 60, squawk 1000.
Topic 3 Sierra, runway 24, you're climbing 60, squawk 1000. KLM 1939.
KLM 1939, read back correct.
Goedenavond, KLM 25 Mike voor de established ILS.
KLM 25 Mike, number 3, wind 260 degrees, 15 knots.
Number